72 chance Miss Moneypenny under former champion jockey Dane Dawkins captured Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. And as you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, former champion jockey Dick Cardenas and veteran jockey Clive Lynch reached career milestones.
The Jason Acosta trained Miss Moneypenny went from gate to wire in Saturday's Ronron trophy event for native bred and imported 3-year-olds and up going over 6 furlongs. Despite being pressed by a strong mind on the headlines and locked down in the latter stages, the 3-year-old chestnut filly held off all rivals to record a comfortable victory.
They lead the 5/16. They're coming into the top of the lane in the Ronron Trophy, and Miss Moneypenny continues to hold the lead, racing past the final 3/16. Here now is Mighty Gully, shaken up by Dick Cardenas, but Miss Moneypenny continues to deny them a furlong to catch her. Miss Moneypenny is showing good dash. Miss Moneypenny with that lead. Here on the rail is Lockdown now beginning to fly. It's Miss Moneypenny battling to hold the advantage, driven to the max. She wins the round over Lockdown. Third goes to Mighty Gully, then American Aviator. Back and forth.
Miss Moneypenny covered the distance in 1 minute 14 seconds flat to complete a double for Dawkins on the 10-race card.
Well, I realized that, but I didn't bother force her to try switch back, and I leave her to come in the straight. But I know my ass like the left hand stick from the last time I rode her.
Meanwhile, 3-1 shot Mr. Lee prevailed by a neck in the supporting feature Reprieve Trophy over 9 furlongs to give veteran jockey Clive Lynch his 500th career win at Caymanas Park. And in the meantime, Dick Cardenas notched his 800th career winner aboard Midnight Flight, who won the 9th event going over 5 furlongs straight. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.